Alright, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We're talking about how do we live in Indonesia. Well, totally, I'm very love Indonesia because my grandma and grandfather are from Indonesia, from Aceh, including. That's why I love Indonesia so much. But how I love Indonesia first, I must respect every governor, every president in Indonesia, every governor in Indonesia, not only in Indonesia but also in my province Aceh. And then second, I love Indonesia because Indonesia, a lot of human resources and then natural resources. And then Indonesia, the most beautiful country, even though around the world. And then Indonesia has 650 local languages. Number one in the world, has 650 languages, local language in the world. That's why Indonesia unpredictable. How could be? Why? Indonesia has a lot of local language. Indonesia is a very beautiful place and then very lot of island, beautiful island, Sabang Island, Raja Ampat Island, and then Pulau Dewata Island. This is very, very nice. And then every year,
Bali Island.
Bali Island, and then every year, every foreigner, every stranger will come to my country because they spend their vacation. That's why even though Indonesia is still limited and then know about many stranger about money, but every year Indonesia has a lot of tourism from abroad, not only from Europe but also United Nations, United States, Africa, and then Sao Paulo, Russia, Australia, but all the country they will come to Indonesia. And then even though Indonesian people very, very nice people and then very kind people, and then Indonesian people very friendly people and very easygoing people. When stranger or foreigner will come to Indonesia, every face is eyes to eyes. When Indonesian people look at the stranger or the foreigner, they gotta give loving, give loving. For example, like that. That's why when I ask for a foreigner from Europe, and then I ask them, what do you think about Indonesian people? Yeah, I do realize, I do believe that in my true heart, that I never found people like Indonesia. I myself, when I went to Aceh, when I met Sabir, and then when I met Aceh people, when I go somewhere, everyone take picture with me. But everyone give love to me. That everyone want to take hand with me. Not only in Aceh but also like Medan, and then to Jakarta, and then Jakarta, and then Bali, and then every location Indonesia, Indonesian people, and then very nice and then very, very easygoing people. That's why I'm talking about culture. Indonesian culture, very old culture. That's why the culture, when every foreigner and stranger who come in Indonesia, there would be, be respect for stranger or, the guest. I think that's attention. Every location, every country has respect, have a rule. That's why when that foreigner or stranger who come to Indonesia, they must be respect our culture. When they are decrease our culture, so they must be punish them. That's it. This is very, very, very awesome.
I don't believe that.
Yeah, even though our governor do not do like that. But when the law have been begun to, we continue every, governor in Indonesia, in Aceh province, Sumatra, and then every location, when the law has been continue, every foreigner, every stranger is gonna be, obey our rule. That's why every location we must respect that culture. Talking about that, I myself, when I went to somewhere, example somewhere like Medan, I must respect them. I must respect because different culture, different situation, we can combine. We can look around about our situation there. This is not as like Chinese culture and then Batak culture and then Japanese culture. They are totally different. So when we go somewhere, we must respect the culture. This is very, very easy for me. You got it? Any question?